Today, we will talk about how to clean a leather sofa at home. Let's have a look at the details. Leather furniture requires specific methods of care. Several commercial and homemade products can be used to clean your leather sofa. With regular maintenance and the right products, you can keep a leather sofa clean and in good condition for many years. The first method is removing debris. Remove large debris with a vacuum. Using the vacuum's hand tool, remove any debris from the sofa. Focus on the creases and folds of the couch. Use the vacuum's brush attachment. Attach the brush tool to the vacuum's hand tool and run the brush over the leather of the couch. The brush bristles are soft and less likely to scratch the surface of the sofa. Dust the sofa. Using a feather or microfiber duster, lightly dust the entire surface of the sofa. Be careful to remove all of the debris from the sofa before further cleaning, as the debris can scratch the leather. The second method is doing routine cleaning. Create a homemade solution. Combine equal parts water and white vinegar in a small bucket or bowl. It is best to use room temperature, distilled water. Tap water can contain other chemicals which could be harmful to the leather. Dip a rag in the solution. Thoroughly wring out the rag. Be careful to ensure that the rag is only damp and not drenched. Excess liquid can damage the couch's leather. Scrub the sofa lightly. Start at the top of the sofa and work your way down. Gently scrub the leather of the sofa. Work in small sections. Rinse the rag in the solution and wring it out after a few strokes. Wipe the sofa dry. Using a clean rag, wipe each small section of leather dry before moving on to the next section. The third method is treating stains. Remove grease stains. Grease stains can be left on a leather sofa from hair, beauty products, or food. It is best to try to remove these stains as soon as you notice them. Wipe the surface of the leather with a leather cleaning solution and then dry the leather thoroughly. If the stain remains, try sprinkling baking soda or cornstarch on the stain. Let the powder sit there for several hours and then brush away the residue. Get rid of ink stains. Carefully blot the ink stain with a cotton ball dipped in rubbing alcohol. Use care and do not soak the leather. Once the stain is lifted, clean the surface of the leather with a damp rag and dry the area thoroughly with a clean rag. Remove liquid stains. Sometimes drinks like coffee, tea, or red wine may be spilled on your leather sofa. It is best to clean this liquid immediately and not let it dry on the leather surface. Once the liquid is removed, gently cleanse the leather with a leather cleaning solution. Remember to completely dry the leather surface with a dry rag when you are finished cleaning. Treat dark stains on light-colored leather. Mix equal parts lemon and cream of tartar as a stain treatment. Apply the mixture to the stain and let it sit for 10 minutes. Use a damp cloth to remove the mixture, then dry it with a clean cloth. The fourth method is conditioning the sofa. Create a homemade solution. Add 10 to 15 drops of lemon or tea tree oil to 2 cups of white vinegar in a bowl. Lightly stir the solution to combine the oil and vinegar. Apply the solution to the entire couch. Dip a corner of a clean rag into the conditioning solution. Gently rub the solution into the leather using a circular motion. Allow the solution to dry on the sofa overnight. Be careful not to drench the rag in the solution or leave the sofa too wet. The liquid could damage the leather sofa. Buff the sofa with a clean cloth. The next day, gently buff the leather to restore the shine. Begin at the top of the sofa and work your way down, buffing the leather in a small, circular motion. Repeat the conditioning every 6 to 12 months to keep the leather soft and shiny. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.